Welcome to my channel. English practice sets for you. During or while. Blank the movie, my phone rang. My friend called me blank I was cooking. Answers. During, while. Between or among. Share this chocolate blank the 3 kids. Choose blank tea and coffee. Answers. Among and between. In time or on time. The train arrived exactly blank. I reached the station just blank to catch the train. Answers. On time and in time. Since or for. I've been waiting blank 10 minutes. I've lived here blank 2015. Answers. For and since. Beside or besides. He sat blank me during lunch. Blank English, she speaks Spanish too. Answers. Beside and besides. In or into. She walked blank the room quietly. The keys are blank the drawer. Answers. Into and in. Few or a few. I have blank friends, so I feel lonely. We have blank minutes left, let's finish fast. Answers. Few and a few. Much or many. How blank money do you need? How blank students attended the class? Answers. Much and many. Look, see, watch. Can you blank that bird? Please blank at the board. I usually blank TV at night. Answers. See, look and watch. There. Blank going to visit us today. The kids forgot blank bags. Put the box over blank. Answers. They're 21. They're 22 and there. During or while. Nobody spoke blank the meeting. She smiled blank I was talking. Answers. During and while. Since or for. He has lived abroad blank 5 years. I haven't seen her blank last Monday. Answers. For and since. Although or despite. Blank it was raining, we went out. We went out blank the rain. Answers. Although and despite. Because or because of. We stayed home blank it was too hot. We stayed home blank the heat. Answers. Because and because of. On, in, at. My birthday is blank July. The meeting is blank 4 p.m. He lives blank Mumbai. Answers. In, at and in. By, until. I'll finish this blank tonight. Wait here blank I return. Answers. By and until. Much, many. There aren't blank chairs in the hall. She doesn't have blank time today. Answers. Many and much. Fewer, less. I have blank responsibilities now. He drinks blank coffee than before. Answers. Fewer, countable, and less, uncountable. Who, whom, blank is your teacher? To blank should I send this file? Answers. Who and whom. Since or from. The shop is open blank 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I've been learning English blank last year. Answers. From and since. Borrow, lend. Can you blank me your pen? Can I blank your book for a day? Answers. Lend and borrow. Effect. Stress can badly blank your health. The new rule had a big blank on sales. Comment down the answers for the last one.